Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Vultr VPS backups and restore points, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Vultr account. Navigate to the products section in the top menu. Locate the virtual private server, or VPS, that you want to verify backups for. Click on the VPS instance to open its details page. Scroll down to the snapshots section. In this section, you will see all backup snapshots and restore points available for your VPS. Take note of the dates and times listed next to each backup. These timestamps indicate when the backups were created. To verify a backup, click on the snapshot you want to examine. Review the information provided about this snapshot. Check for the status to ensure the backup is completed. Now, to restore from a backup, return to the snapshots section. Select the snapshot you wish to restore. Click on the Restore option. A pop-up will appear, confirming if you wish to proceed with the restoration. Ensure you understand that restoring will overwrite your current data. If you are sure, confirm the restoration. Monitor the progress of the restore process in the Notifications section. Once the restoration is complete, review the server to ensure everything is functioning as expected. For further confirmation, access your applications and databases to verify data integrity. If any issues arise, consult the Vultr support resources or community forums for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.